Welcome to SyncWords Academy. In this video, we will go over how to edit your event settings. To get started, click on the Settings tab on the left side of your event. Here, you can change several properties to customize your event. To set the time zone you want displayed on the captions and dubs pages, select your preferred time zone from the drop-down menu and click Save. This will update the time zone displayed on these pages. Please note, this will not change the time zone your event has been scheduled in. You can also decide how long the content on your event's captions page and widget remains available after the event ends. Once the event expires, the widget and captions page will no longer be accessible. If you are using a low latency stream to connect to SyncWords, there is a delay on the stream attendees are viewing. You can delay the delivery of the captions by up to 90 seconds. This is best used to synchronize the captions with what attendees are seeing during the event. You can replace the SyncWords logo at the top of the captions and dubs pages with your own logo. Just click Edit and upload your logo in PNG, GIF, or JPEG format. We recommend using a logo that works well with a light background and uses transparency so that it works with all the different themes available on the captions page. You can also hide the title, subtitle, date, time, and logo from the captions pages by enabling the Hide Event Information toggle. If you disable the caption page, it will not be accessible. This only applies to the caption pages and not the widget and other services, which will still be available for use. If you're using SyncWords ASR captioning service, you can select the ASR engine being used to generate your automated captions here. You can also set the source language for your event from the language drop-down menu. For added security, you can set up a password to limit access to your event captions by clicking on the Security tab and adding a passcode. Viewers will be required to enter this passcode in order to access the captions pages. Enabling the toggle on the Disable Event Token Authorization, you will remove an additional security check offered when using the embed widget on an external website. Thank you for watching this short tutorial video. For more videos and written articles on this and many other topics, please visit our help desk.